Hello, Chef here. And what do we have here? Oh, yeah, look at that. That is one of the rarest chili powders from New Mexico that you can find. Oh, and this is not for sale. Thought I'd share something unusual with you. This is from Chef Tommy, and Chef Tommy searches New Mexico for the best possible chili peppers, and then he acquires them. So this is really, really good stuff. I got a few different kinds, different types of these chili peppers here, and I'm going to share them with you. Here's another one. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. We're going to do a quick tasting today. Thank you, Chef Tommy. The other video I was slicing up apples. Now I'm going to utilize these apples. We're going to just put them around here kind of as a garnish on this plate, and then we're going to put these apple slices and just do a quick tasting. Maybe we'll try 5 different ones. All right, here we go. Yeah, so first I want to mention regular New Mexico chili powder. I keep mine in a shaker like this. You should too. All right, regular New Mexico chili powder. We'll put just a little bit on here like this. It's nice stuff. It's good. I like it. It's got a medium flavor. Generally, commercially, these are blended together and you don't know what you're getting, where it's coming from, whatever. But this is New Mexico chili powder, okay? Next we have Chef Tommy's Super Select, rarest of the rare, spicy hot New Mexico chili powder. Oh yeah, look at that. The color is like pow. I gotta zoom in on that for you. You can see the difference. It's not just the color, I can smell it several feet away. Wow. It's gonna be good. Now, I'm gonna put some of this special rare green chili powder on another one of these apple slices, and then we got to do a little tasting. So this is really, really good stuff. Super, super expensive. You can't even buy it. I just wanted to share this with you so you can see what else is out there in the world of food, as well as just peppers in general. So here's the green. So here I've got 3. I'm going to do a tasting right in front of you here and tell you what I think of these 3. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this ceramic knife and just cut these up very gently like this here. Of course I got to share these too, but these 3 are all going to taste very, very different, and wow, it's going to be good. If you need the regular New Mexico chili powder, you can get it at your sponsor. But these other 2, these are not even for sale. You're not going to get them. All right, so here, well, first, let's start with the regular New Mexico chili powder. Get it right up in the camera for you there. Yeah, it's good. Moving on. Woo! A little spicy. Super rare, super hot, rarest of the rare New Mexico chili powders. Let's try this one. Oh, what a difference. Wow. Smoky, nutty, smooth, silky flavor. Little bite on the tongue. Back of the throat's burning a little. But what a difference. Right here. Daytime, nighttime. Completely different. Both come from the same area, but the quality is unbelievable. Green. Let's try the green. Wow. A bit more like a tomatilla. Flavor's a little different. Burn on the back of the mouth, down the throat. The green's a bit hotter than the red. Never would have imagined that. Anyway, that's the review. once again, big shout out there. Big thank you. Chef Tommy, you're the man. Keep sourcing them peppers and keep us in the loop there. And these are some of the things that you're only going to get if you support your local businesses and your sponsor and source these things out. Like I said, these rare peppers are not for sale. Wow, great stuff. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. They got all the cool stuff in stock there. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. For an interesting appetizer, try pairing some melon with the pepper. Just small pieces like this are good. And then once you got the melon sliced, combine it with other ingredients, put it in a bowl, and then add a little bit of the pepper powder. Yeah, it's going to be something a little different that your guests probably have never experienced. You can combine prosciutto, baby greens, whatever you decide is going to be like, wow, a whole new combination of flavor. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that sauteed chicken, asparagus, garlic, tomatoes, and some these sauteed Yukon Golds. That's going to be good. And I'm going to finish with just a touch of this super rare New Mexico chili on the chicken as well as the potatoes. Yeah, that's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day.